Microsoft 365 is your all-in-one tool for work and play. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's cloud-based, so you can access your files from anywhere. Collaborate in real time with friends or coworkers. Plus, OneDrive lets you easily store and share files. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Microsoft 365. First of all you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Microsoft365.com. Then you'll find a page which is this one. I don't have it here because I will just show you right now how you can sign up and we'll discover this platform which is Microsoft. And after sign up and have an account, here we have my account as you can see. And right now let's just click in over signing in. You will find one button of signing in, and then you have just to click over create one, and you start creating by adding your email address, and then you click over next and you create also your password, and you click over here next, and then you'll find here this page. You have just here what's your birthday is. If a child uses this device, select their date of birth to create a child account. You just select the country and region, then we have your birth date, and you have just right now to click over next, and you'll find this page here as you can see. All you have to do right now is just find this page which is Microsoft as you can see. Firstly, we have here on the right two buttons, one of install application are by Microsoft 365. So firstly we have here in the top left all these things as you can see. We have first Microsoft 365, Outlook, OneDrive, Clipchamp, and we have here Designer, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Forms, Calendar, To Do, and we have Teams, Skype, more application as you can see. So to get started, all I have to do right now is just click over create, or you can just here create new by clicking over the one you want. If it's Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Forms, Quiz, and other things. Let's just discover firstly here these options that we have on the left. Firstly, we have here create. For example, let's just give it a try with document in Word. You'll find other page which is this one as you can see, and here we have it. So firstly, you'll find here the word as you can see, and you have just here to get started, and you add whatever you want, and there we have Word as you can see. We have here various things as you can see in Word, Word, and you start using this platform. Also we have here other things, for example here PowerPoint as you can see. So about this one, you'll find here are various things as you can see in PowerPoint. You can just start designing if you want to draw, insert, how, file. We have transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view, help, and we have here comments, catch up, and the various things. Here PowerPoint how it looks, right? So you have the designer. We have here various things as you can see. So this is for this one. You have just to get started with using all these characteristics and these options that could help you to design a video or design other things. All right. So right now we have also here workbook. About this one, you will find here like that, and you have just to get started with this one, and you have just right now to add whatever you want, and you get started with sheet here. So we have here sheet one, and you can add all these things by green start, and you insert your things. So all right, then we have also here Microsoft Forms. So here we have Microsoft Forms. About this one, you'll find here style, settings, preview, collect responses, and you select if you want a quick start with choice or text, or if you want to also other things as you can see. Here we have the templates like that, and we have other things here. All right. Then we have here other things, for example, quiz, and we have also list. So about quiz, you will find here like that. Here we have it, and then we have also here list. But list you'll find here create a list by clicking over blank list or from existing list or from CSV, and also we have here the templates. You can just select the one you want, and here we have here lists. You have just to click over here to new list, and we have here how you can get started with com, and then we have here to a list, and we have create with templates and other things. Then we have also here design, And then we have the last one, which is video, as you can see, and sway. So right now let's just go to the design and let's just discover Microsoft Designer, and you'll find here this one, as you can see. Right, so right now you have just to use all these things. In the left we have my media, visuals, text, print kit, and we have here other things, and you have just to start choosing the one you want, and you start here designing your template as well, or you can just here upload your media using that, and then here we have it right now. Right, so then we find also here video and sway. Above video, find here other things, for example this one. About this one, you will find here how you can get in started with Clipchamp, and you have just firstly to continue with Microsoft, or you can just sign into Clipchamp for work or school account. Then you continue with Microsoft and you get in start. Then we have a Sway as well. So this is the last one, Microsoft Sway. You will find here Microsoft Way. To get started, you click over here and you get started with Microsoft Sway, and you have just to sign in and you get a start, right? So this is the option that we have here in Microsoft Sway as on Microsoft 365. Also, we have other options such as my content. Well, my content you'll find here all recently opened, shared, and you'll find here the name of those things that are already opened. Then we have here application that we have. So as you can see, just select the one you want. Here we have more from Microsoft such as Bing, Family Safety, MSN. Then we have rewards, privacy. You can just select the one you want. And then we have other things. For example, here you select the one you want, as you can see. So it's very easy to do that. You have just to select the one you want and you get started by using which platform that you want. So with Microsoft 365, staying organized and collaborating was never been easier. Whether you are working on a project, sharing ideas, or just staying connected, it's the all-in-one solution to help you get things done anytime and anywhere as well. So you can just right now getting started by just following the steps. It's very easy to create an account on Microsoft 365. You just to getting started, we follow the steps by clicking over create account. If you already have an account, you click over sign in like that, and then you have just to create an account by adding your email, and then you create a password, and then you select here your birthday and you click over next. Once you're done, and you'll find this page. As you can see, it's very easy to use that, and it's just here to select when you want and get started with, for example, design. And also we have here Word and Lex Excel, and we have here presentation, workbook, form, quiz, list, design, video, and we have various things. You can just install the application if you want, or if you want to buy Microsoft 365 if you want. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.